This right here is a DC fan powered by a DC motor. To be more specific, it's a brushless DC fan, also known as a BLDC fan. Compared to standard DC motor fans, these are much quieter and way more efficient. In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to work with these fans and how to get them up and running in your projects. Since this is a 12 volts fan, we'll need a 12 volts power adapter. My adapter has a standard DC jack, so I'm using a DC terminal block adapter to make the wiring a lot easier. Connect the black wire to the minus sign on the terminal, which is the negative. Then connect the red wire to the plus sign on the terminal, which is the positive. Once it's all wired up and plugged in, the motor kicks in and the fan starts spinning. But here's the problem. If we're using this to blow away dust or scraps of paper, we don't want it spinning the second we plug it in. So how can we solve this? Any ideas? Let me know in the comments. My solution is the KR1201 Remote Control Relay Module. This gives us full control over the switch at any time. The KR1201 is designed for 12 volts loads, while the KR3001 supports a wide range of loads, from 5 volts to 60 volts. Now, let me show you how to wire it up. Trust me, it's so simple, you'll get it in no time. First, let's get our KR1201 powered up with a 12 volts DC source. Here, let's go ahead and wire those up first. That leaves us with the 3 remaining ports on the relay. Think of the relay as basically a mechanical SPDT switch. We're going to intercept one of the lines to our DC fan. For this demo, I'm going to control the positive line of the fan. Take the 12 volt supply wire and connect it to the COM port. Then, go ahead and connect the fan's positive wire to the NO port on the relay. Essentially, we're letting the relay take the place of one side of that mechanical switch. I'll post the full wiring diagram in the community tab, or you can grab it from the link in the comments. Here's how it works. When the relay is idle, the NO and COM ports are disconnected. This means no voltage reaches the fan's positive line, so the fan stays off. But once the relay is triggered, it bridges the NO and COM ports. Now, the 12 volts flows straight to the fan's positive line, and it kicks into gear. Now, I know what some of you might be wondering. Do I need to write some code now that the wiring is done? The answer is no. It's just a quick setup, 0 programming required. First, we're going to press the button on the module 3 times. You'll see the indicator light turn on. Press the on button on your remote. The light will flash and then stay lit. Finally, press the off button on the remote. And just like that, the pairing is complete. This configuration is called Latching Mode, and it's absolutely perfect for our scenario. It's also a great way to control multiple modules with just one remote. By the way, do any of you have a project where you need to sync one remote to 2 different modules? So, here is the final build. It's super versatile. You can mount it pretty much anywhere you need it. You could even power it with a lithium battery to make it fully portable for use on the go. Do you guys have any other creative ideas for using DC motors with these wireless relay modules? I'd love to hear them. So definitely share your thoughts in the comments below. If you like this project, smash that like button. It really helps the algorithm find my videos